examples या type B questions that are related to the chapter number 2, that is called Python fundamentals. If you are having doubt in any question, please ask to me. That is as a revision of chapter number 2. First chapter in Python we have discussed like getting started with Python. The second chapter is Python fundamental. Rahul, please put off your mic and turn on your cameras. Everyone turn on your camera. Anjali, Ojaswi. I am sharing one PDF file with you. You just see this PDF file, and through the PDF file we will discuss. This is the type B question of chapter number 2, that is called Python fundamental. Means in Python, that is chapter number 2, or you can say in unit 2, that is chapter number 2. First question is, from the following, find out which assignment statement will produce an error. State regions or 2. Now today everyone put your mic on. Like x equals to 55. X equals to 55. Is it true or not? Here any error?
No error.
No error, because x is a variable or y is a, sorry, y 55 is a value. We know the concept when we talked about L value or R value. Left side, right side पढ़ा था हमने जब. In the right hand side, there is always constant and expression will come, and the left hand side always variable will come. So this means 55 will store in variable x. That means there is no error. Is it clear? Give answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Now second one is y equals to 0, 3, 7. Any error is here?
No, sir.
No. Very good. 0 is a number, 3 is a number, 7 is a number. So we can read this number like 37 only. So 37 will store in variable y. So that means there is no error. Is it clear? Similarly, next example, z equals to 0, O, 98. Is it an error?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is an error because 0 or O act as a octal decimal number. Octal number ना, octal number में हमने पढ़ा था ये 0 और O represent octal number. Or if 0x is written, that means it is hexadecimal number. But when we store any value in the variable, that is in the form of integer, that is in the form of decimal only. तो यहाँ पर ये error होगी. Is it clear? Similarly, next one, 56th number equals to 3300. Is it an error?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because variable cannot start with digit. You know very well rule of the variable name, rules for naming variable. Variable always start with either underscore or alphabets. But here 56 is written at the beginning. That means there is an error. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is length equals to 450.17. Is it an error? Any error is here in this example?
No, sir.
Sir, yes.
No, in this no one error is present. कोई error नहीं है इसमें because 450.17. This is a floating point number. This is decimal number. Point में value है. No problem. Value हो सकती है like 3.5 is a value. 7.5, 7.2. This is a value. No problem. This is not an error. Clear? Again, now explanation mark Taylor equals to instant. That means here this sign is present. So this sign variable cannot start with this sign. So this is a error.
Error.
Clear? Similarly, this one is also error because there is one space.
Yes.
Clear? Space will not come while giving the name of the variable. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here float is given, here float is given, so no problem. Float is not an error because float will not come as a keyword. Keyword में नहीं आएगा, so that means this is not an error. We can write this number in exponent form. हमने पढ़ा था exponent and mantissa. So in floating point number, this part is called exponent. This part is called exponent part. This will come as a power, or that is come as a mantissa. Before e, that is called mantissa part, or after e, that is called exponent power. Exponent means 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 3. So the answer of this is 0.00017, like this. Just execute this program, then you will get the answer, or you will understand this. FLOAT, float, equals to 0.17 e minus 3, like this. ऐसा ही कुछ है. print, print, and print the value of float. Its value is 0.00017, means it is written like this: 0.17 into 10 to the power minus 3. If power is minus 3, then point will shift to the left side. ऐसी कुछ होता है मैथ्स में. Is it clear or not? Student, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, similarly, this one, there is no error. Come to the second part. Second question. Find out the errors in the following code fragment. I have written answer also. Okay, you just see it is correct or not. See here, temperature equals to 90, print temperature. I have written missing parenthesis in call to print statement. Means here in this line, print means ये bracket जो होते हैं, that is called parenthesis, small brackets. These brackets are missing. That's why it is an error. So लिखा है ना missing parenthesis. These small brackets known as a parenthesis in terms of computer. तो कंप्यूटर के टर्म में से parenthesis बोलते हैं. So this is missing. That's why it is an error. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reply
Yes.
fast, beta, because we have lots of questions. I want to complete type B questions today only. Then second part, A equals to 30, B equals to A plus B, print A and B. There are two errors. We know the value of A. The value of A is 30. Yes, no problem. But what is the value of B? We don't know. So I have written here B is not defined. लिखा है ना मैंने, B is not defined. B की value पता ही नहीं है. And second one is A and B. And is an operator. It is a logical operator. And or not, these are the logical operators. तो operator यहाँ पर आएगा नहीं. So this is incorrect syntax. So syntax error. Clear? यहाँ पर syntax error और यहाँ पर line में B is not defined. These two are error in this code. Second one, third one, A, B, C equals to 2, 8, 9. This we have seen multiple assignment in multiple variables. So 2 will store in variable A, 8 will store in variable B, 9 will store in variable C. Is it clear? The value of A is 2, value of B is 8, value of C is 9. Is it clear or not?
Clear.
Clear.
Clear. Then print statement, there is no error. But when we come to the last line, in this line, last line, A semicolon B semicolon C is written. That is an error because in print statement always comma will come. A, B, C. But here A semicolon B semicolon C is written. That is invalid syntax, means there is an error. Here comma will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one is x equals to 24, 4 equals to x. X equals to 24, there is no error, but in this second line, 4 equals to x, there is an error. There is L value error. Can't assign to literal. Here 4 is a literal or x is a identifier. So identifier cannot assign in literal. क्योंकि 4 क्या हमारा constant है, literal means constant, so x will not assign in variable in constant 4. So this is an error. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is this one example. Print x equals to double quotes open, double quotes close. This means यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो till here. This is a message. It will display as it is. Then x will display the value of a variable. But in between there is no separator. हमें क्या चाहिए? Separator चाहिए. Separator means as a comma. The comma is missing, so that's why it is a invalid syntax. Clear? देखो मैंने हल्का सा कॉमा बना रखा है, यहाँ पर बना रखा है, कॉमा लगा है सर्किल में, so that means comma is missing. If you write comma in between, then it is not an error, otherwise it is error. Then similarly, sixth one, else equals to 21 minus 5. Here else is a keyword. A keyword we cannot use as a variable. ये हमने पढ़ा था, रूल पढ़ा था, keyword we cannot use as an identifier, as a variable हम use नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is an error. Clear? This is clear or not? Question
Yes,
number
sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
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 Okay. Now page number 2. Now it is visible. Visible or not?
Visible.
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 Okay, now more visible. Third question, what will be the output produced by following code statement, your fragments? X equals to 10, so means the value of x is 10. X equals to x plus 10, so that means the value of x will come here, 10 plus 10, that is 20. So 20 is the new value of x. 20 is the new value of x. Then x minus 5, x equals to x minus 5. So what is the value of x? 20. Value of x is 20. 20 minus 5, that is
15.
15. 15 is the new value of x. New value of x is 15. So print x. So it will display 15. I have written here 15. Then 15 minus 2. See here, x minus 2 लिखा है. That means 15 minus 2. New value is 13.
13.
13 will store in variable x. पहली वैल्यू फर्स्ट वेरिएबल में जाएगी, तो means the value of x is 13 and then 22 assign in variable y. Value of x is 13 and the value of y is 22. So through this last statement, this is a print statement, it will display 13 and 22. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, now second one example, first equals to 2, second equals to 3. First equals to 2, second equals to 3 means we have two variables, first and second. The value of first is 2 and the value of second is 3. Now third equals to first into second, that means 2 into 3. Now 2 into 3 we get 6. 6 is assigned in variable third. Value of third is 6. Print first comma second comma third. So what is the value of first? From here, value of first is 2, value of second is 3, and the value of third is 6. 6. So it will display answer 2, 3 and 6. During the output, it will not display comma. I have written comma here, but in the output, comma will not come. In output, it will display only 2, 3 and 6. Here comma is written. Comma means as a separator, means first is separated from second, second is separated from third through this comma. Clear? But in the output, it will display only 2, 3 and 6. Then first plus second plus third. The value of first is, what is the value of first? 2. What is the value of second?
3.
3.
3 plus 2, 5 हो गया. 5 plus 6,
Yes, sir.
11.
11.
11.
11 will store in variable
First.
first. So now the value of first is 11. Now the value of first is 11. In the next line, third equals to second into first. Second into first. What is the value of second?
3.
3. 3 into value of first is 11. That is
11.
11 into 3.
33.
33. 33 is the new value of third. It is okay. 33 is the new value of third. Now, what is the value of first? From this
11.
line, 11.
11.
From this line, its value is 11, comma, second. In second, there is no change.
3.
Its value is 3, and the value of third is 33. So output will come like 11, 3, and 33. Any confusion in this program, please ask. You have to try this program in your computer system also. If you don't know how to get software, so just go to the Google Chrome browser, in any browser, but I am preferring this Google Chrome, and type here www.python.org. Wait a minute. You just download this software in your computer and use it. Wait a minute. It's taking time. www dot python.org. Once you go to this website, from here you can download this Python software. In the download section, there is the new version is Python 3.8.5. This is the new version. You download this software from here also. ठीक है, यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लेना, आपको सॉफ्टवेयर मिल जाएगा. और very simple steps. Then unzip this file and then click on the application, means exe file. Then next, and then at last install. Simple steps. Clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
next code. Next is side equals to int input side. Input side. So it will take input from the user. So this time it given as a comment. The comment is side given as 7. So value of side is 7. Remember one thing, input statement always take value. Input statement always take value in terms of string. But this int will convert any string value to numeric value. This topic I have taught in the previous Zoom classes. मैंने पढ़ाया था 1 plus 1. If both are string, 1 plus 1 that is 11. Or if both are number, then 1 plus 1 it true. पढ़ाया था आपको 1 plus 1 that is 2. If both are integer, or 1 plus 1 11 if both are string. So input statement always take value as a string, and this int will convert any string value to numeric value. So now the value of side is 7 in numeric. Then 7 into 7, 7 7 ja 49. 49 is the value of area. Then print statement will print value of side as well as value of area 7 comma 49. That means it will display 7 and 49. Now any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, please ask. No doubt?
No.
Then question number 4. What is the problem with the following code fragments? A equals to 3. Print A. I think there is no error. देखो A equals to 3 means value of A is 3 and print A. That means it will display 3. But here is written, what is the problem with the following code fragments? That means there is some error. What is the error? I have written one error here, that is unexpected indent. Unexpected indent means there is in this program it is provided some space after this line A equals to 3. यहाँ पर space provide कर रखा है, तो ये space नहीं आना चाहिए था, तो this is an error. ये कब आता है space? When एक मिनट ना, when it is considered as a ब्लॉक, तब आता है. जैसे देखो अब लिखते हैं हम a इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, न्यू फाइल a equals to 3. Then see our cursor goes here at the beginning of the second line. Again you have to see a equals to 3. I have written a equals to 3. That means the value of a is 3. Then press enter key. Once I press enter key, our cursor moves to the initial position of the second line. Second line के starting में चले गया देखो, लेकिन जब आपका जो प्रोग्राम दिया हुआ है उसमें वो कहाँ जा रहा है? कुछ गैप के बाद आ रहा है, और ये गैप के बाद कब आएगा? अब सी हियर, if I am writing a code like this, if a equals to 3 and put colon, once you put colon then press enter key, now your cursor will come after some space in the second line. कुछ स्पेस के बाद आया दूसरी लाइन में, कुछ स्पेस के बाद आया देखो यहाँ पर, ठीक है? Why? Because there is a colon sign. Colon sign means this is a block. जब ब्लॉक होगा तब आपका क्या आएगा? स्पेस आएगा, और जब ब्लॉक नहीं होगा तो स्पेस नहीं आएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? स्पेस आ रहा है बट कोलन नहीं है, तो देयर इज एन एरर. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? अनएक्सपेक्टेड इंडेंट. दिस इज एन एरर. सिमिलरली दिस लाइन इज आल्सो एरर, दिस लाइन इज आल्सो एरर. तो आपका एरर का नाम होगा अनएक्सपेक्टेड इंडेंट. नाउ इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, name equals to Prijit. Prijit, name is a Prijit. Age equals to 26. Print your name and age are. This is a message, no problem, because it is written in the double quotation mark, no problem. But here, name plus age is written. Name plus age. What is the value of name? Prijit. And the age is 26. You know very well, string value. String means collection of character. String value cannot add with numeric value. Here 26 is in numeric form, Prijit in string form. Or you know very well, string value cannot add with numeric value. So this is an error. तो लिखा है it cannot concatenate string with number. मतलब यहाँ पर जो string है वो नंबर के साथ concatenate मतलब मर्ज नहीं होगा. This is an error. ये प्रॉब्लम है. Next, a equals to 3, s equals to a plus 10. Value of a is what is the
3.
3 plus 10?
13.
13 is the value of s. A equals to new. Now it is written a divided by 10. It is an error or not?
Error.
Why? What is the new value of a? What is the new value of a?
New.
New. Very good. The new value of a is new. Initially the value of a is 3, but after some time we have taken the value of a is new and we want to divide this new with 10. It is not possible. You know very well, new is not divided by 10. So this means unsupported operand type. जो उसका टाइप है वो अनसपोर्टेड है. टाइप मीन्स हम स्ट्रिंग को न्यूमेरिक से डिवाइड करना चाह रहे हैं, बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Reply fast, beta. We have very limited time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, predict the output. In this question, I want the question is saying that find the output of this code. X equals to 40. 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1 is the value of
41.
y. 41 value is y. Y value is 41. Then x equals to 20 comma y plus x. So what is the value? Y 41 and the value of x is 40. 41 plus 40, that is 81.
81.
81. Now here in the right side there are two values. One is 20 and second one is 81. But in the left side there is only one variable. What will happen? See here, I have written 20 comma 81 in a bracket. That means this whole act as a value of x, because here only one variable is given. If in the left hand side two variables are given, then first value goes to the first variable and second value goes to the second variable. But here in this time the value are 2 and the variable is only 1. So in that case, in this case, this whole value act as a single variable. Single variable कौन सी है? यहाँ पर x है, x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 20 and 81. Then print, don't write, print x comma y. Print x comma y. That means the value of x is 20 comma 81. This is the whole value of x and the value of y is 41. Is it clear? This program is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
You understand the meaning of this line, third line? Meaning of third line, it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear na? Okay. Next is predict the output. X comma y. See here. This is the difference. In the third line here, in this case, there is only one variable. But here in this next example, x comma y, these are two variables and two values. So first value goes to first variable, that is called x, and the second value goes to the second variable, that is called y. Clear? The value of x is 20 and the value of y is 60. Is it clear? Then x value remains same, no problem. Value of y minus 10. What is the value of y? 60. 60 minus 10, that is 50. So 50 will store in variable x and the value of x will store in variable y. Clear? So value of y is 20 according to this. Value of y is 20 according to this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the value of this, that is called 50, will store in variable x. Yes or no?
Yes.
Second value goes to the second variable, and then the value of x plus 1. What is the value of x? What is the value of x?
50.
Sorry, 20. 20 according to this. अभी हम नेक्स्ट लाइन में मूव नहीं कर रहे, तो ये वैल्यू नई वाली वैल्यू यूज नहीं होगी, ये वैल्यू यूज होगी 20 plus 10
30.
30 will store in y. Now here two y are given, one y and second y, so it will consider last one value as a y. So means the new value of y is 30. y की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी?
30.
30. Very good. Value of y is 30. So print x comma y. So the value of x consider with this statement, क्योंकि यहाँ पर y 60 था, 60 minus 10 that is 50. तो 50 x में store हो गई, तो the x value of x is 50. Clear? And the value of y is 30. So according to this line, the output is 50 30.
सर फर्स्ट वाला y कंसीडर क्यों नहीं किया?
Override नहीं कर देगा. See here. Wait a minute. Now value of y equals to 20. First time, suppose that the value of y is 20. Now the value of y is 50. And I want to display y. I want to display y. So it will consider 50 instead of 20. See here. So means 20 will override by 50. क्योंकि बाद में क्या आ गया? 50 आ गया. तो पहली वाली वैल्यू गायब हो जाएगी, दूसरी वाली वैल्यू आ जाएगी.
ओके सर.
क्लियर?
सर पर यहाँ पे जो आपका x है उसको
Wait a
y
minute.
माइनस 10 जब
Do this last one question number 7, because only 2 minutes are left. Predict the output. A comma B equals to 12 comma 13. Do it by yourself. Answer is written here. Verify it. Your answer is correct or not. Answer I have written here 12, 6.0 and 24. Check your answer. Is the answer, this is the correct answer or not? According to this. Do it by yourself. Only 2 questions I am giving to you. This A and B. Do it by yourself.
सर A is
Sorry, Mubasir, what you are saying?
सर फर्स्ट वाला हो गया सर, सेकंड समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay, wait a minute. Now see, first answer is correct or not? Everyone?
यस सर.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Now see the second one. Second one, you know the definition of print. Print statement is used to print the message and variable value in a separate line. एक line और add कर दी. In a separate line, it will display value of variable or message in a separate line. But here two prints are written in a same line, single line. Print, and inside it is print. So print A plus B. So A plus B, that is called 25, because the value of A is 12 and the value of B is 13. 12 plus 13, that is 25. 25 will display with the help of first print statement. So 25 it will display. But what will display? Through the second print. So through the second print statement, it will display nothing. The nothing means